इंडस्ट्री से जुड़ा फेम तो सबको दिखता है, लेकिन उसके पीछे छिपी सालों की मेहनत को कम ही लोग अप्रिशिएट करते हैं। हम अक्सर सुनते हैं कि सेलिब्रिटीज इंडस्ट्री में पे गैप की बात करते हैं। It is not the first time when actresses talked about the gender pay gap in movies. It has been said several times that there is significant disparity in pay between a leading male actor and an equally accomplished leading female actor. सिर्फ बॉलीवुड ही नहीं बल्कि हॉलीवुड की भी कई बड़ी एक्ट्रेसेस ने जेंडर पे गैप की बात की है। हेलो, मैं हूं नवीन श्रीवास्तवा और टुडे वील बी टॉकिंग अबाउट Bollywood diva Lara Datta's recent statement that has made a stir on social media. Former Miss Universe Lara Datta has recently talked about the issue of pay gap in the film industry. In a recent interview, she was asked about the challenges she faced as an actress when she first entered Bollywood. To this, the actress replied, "As a woman, there were plenty of them. One of the biggest ones which we still fight is pay disparity. We work as hard, if not harder, than most of our male counterparts in the business. But most women still get paid, if they are lucky, 1/10 of what the actor gets paid." Meanwhile, Lara Datta's alleged portrayal of Kaikeyi has stirred considerable buzz. Replying playfully to this, she said, "Who wouldn't want to be the part of Ramayana?" Well, I'm sure you wouldn't be surprised to know that Lara's not the first actress to talk about this issue. You'd be shocked to know that Bollywood royalty Kareena Kapoor Khan ने भी ऐसा ही कुछ अपने करियर में फेस किया है. During an interview with The Guardian, Kareena had talked about how years ago nobody would even think about having a discussion about the pay gap. But now people are being vocal and there's a shift. Kareena says that she's clear with what she wants and believes that the respect should be given. और तो और ग्लोबल स्टार प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने भी ये इशू फेस किया है. During the interview, she said, "I have never had pay parity in Bollywood. I have done almost 60 movies there, but I have never got paid the same amount as my male co-actor. I would get paid about 10% of my male co-actor." Last but not the least, the gorgeous Raveena Tandon too mentioned this. Raveena, during the interview, said, "In those days, the money was very less, especially the pay disparity between actors and actresses. The male stars got a lot, much more. What they would make in one film, I would make in say 15 films. For women actors, me personally actually, I can't speak for everybody. I can't generalize this. I had to do 15-20 films to make as much money as my male counterparts."